Before we begin, please review the following safety precautions. During operation, if severe abnormal noise, collision, or any risk of loss of control occurs, immediately press the emergency stop button on the software interface or on the machine. When adjusting screws or manually moving the axis, always proceed slowly and steadily. Do not apply excessive force, as this may cause thread stripping or damage to precision components. If any abnormal behavior occurs, or if a fault cannot be properly identified, stop operation immediately and contact the manufacturer for technical support. In this phase, we verify the extrusion flow and perform parameter fine-tuning. Silicone viscosity may vary between batches. This may require minor flow parameter adjustments, typically within plus or minus 1 to 2%. To perform this verification, print a test model. The model is a thin square plate with dimensions of 100 by 100 by 2 millimeters. During printing, observe the silicone strand behavior on the first layer as well as the subsequent layers. Diagnose or adjust according to the observed conditions. On the first layer, if the strands are separated with visible gaps, this indicates that the initial flow rate is too low. Increase extrusion by increasing the internal pressure. If there is severe overlap or excessive overflow, the initial flow rate is too high. Reduce extrusion by decreasing the internal pressure. If the strands show tight adhesion with a smooth surface, the condition is acceptable. You may proceed to the next stage. For the subsequent layers, if the surface appears flat but internal strand separation is observed, this indicates that the software flow is too low. Increase the slicer software flow. If the surface is raised with excessive material buildup, this indicates that the software flow is too high. Decrease the slicer software flow accordingly.